All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pre-record this rock cut here, because I don't know what's going to happen with the sun, and if it does pop up, it's going to be very difficult to see anything. So it's a fairly lengthy rock cut here. This is the first rock cut since Raith, and so it's been a while. And maybe what I'll do is I will put a distance on there so you can see it's on both sides of the grade here. It's not particularly high. This piece of telegraph pole in there, but it is fairly lengthy. I think I was looking at it last night and it looked like it was about 600 meters or so. You can see some vestiges of winter here. A little bit of ice and snow here on the south side of the cut where the sun doesn't hit it. I'm sure you will hear about it at the beginning of the video, but we're actually just starting and it is nasty outside. It's supposed to be 25. My hands are frozen. I have no gloves. Thank God I brought long pants and a couple layers on the top. So here you can see some more substantial rock work here. Probably, I don't know, 7-8 feet. So this is where things start to peter out. You can see a piece of a telegraph pole here. Ooh, squeaky brakes. Maybe since it's here, let's go. Now we have to be careful because everything is wet from the rain that we got. Trying to find I don't know. I was trying to see if you could see a date nail or a date nail in here. Can't see anything. Obviously, all the insulators are gone. So the cut continues here on the south side. You can see another telegraph pole here, pieces of it. I don't think there's any insulators on there. Oh. Trying to get going here. Another shot here. Rock work. Another is that a telegraph pole in there? Let's go look and see. There's another one here. See if we can find a date nail on here. Doesn't look like it. here. Oh. Hopefully it warms up. My hands are frozen. For some reason I had it marked on my GPS. I think that this was one rock cut, but it's two separate rock cuts here. So you can see this one's a little bit bigger than the other one, a little bit more pronounced, especially on the south side here. Probably, again, not very tall, 7-8 feet maybe. See how it's all wet and mucky here from the rain. Hopefully that's the end of the rain. It wasn't really supposed to rain like it did. There was supposed to be a chance of showers. All right, so here the rock cut comes to an end. There's another telegraph pole down there. Should we go take a look? You know, we just started, but as you will see, as you have seen, you know, not like there's a shortage of telegraph poles in this section. Just trying to find a date nail here. You see there's a number on there. It says a number 2. See anything on here. Of course, all the insulators are gone. All right, so we're coming up to the end of the hike here, even though we just got started. There's another pole in there. That one's still got a pile of insulators on it. So, before we wrap up here, last one of our little features here. So you can see, for at least for this section here, the final piece of very elaborate ditching that they did. And so basically carrying the water away to, this one's actually going towards a lake. And so again, I will show you this on the map. And so it's heading towards, I believe, just trying to see it here, Rest Lake. And so again, just trying to mitigate all of these sort of wet areas around here. Okay, so this is the end of our exploration, our very long exploration. We just got started, so hopefully we make it. In any case, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed everything that we saw. What I will do is when I get to where we started this little section here with the truck, I'll give you an idea of how far we went, because obviously, again, we just got the hike started, so we don't have any data yet, but I will let you know that before we start the first rock cut there. So in any case, again, hopefully you enjoyed everything. There was a lot to kind of see, especially a lot of telegraph poles and things. So we will be back again next week. fingers crossed, hopefully the weather cooperates with us, to film the next section from here up to what is known as Newmack Road, passing Kelly and Larson, and then hopefully the next day after that we're going to be basically recording from Newmack up past Mack Station to one of the creek crossings up beyond there. So in any case, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you soon with more episodes.